Tesla. Picking up this one. Little hit there. Nothing in here, no. This is a 2025. Little piece there. 2025, baby. Let's get this one loaded. Yo, nope. It's making this little rattle noise in the front. I wonder what the hell it is. That's my third round right now. Third round, baby. Third round. Let's see. Yeah, I'm hoping I got the side gig, my pressure washing job. I'll lift it up. I'll lift her up, baby. Let's see. Lift her up a little bit. Let's see if she'll do it now. Yeah, the other side is a pain in the ass. I always have issues with it. Let's see. There she goes. Come on. Gotta mess around with it. There she goes. We Gucci. I'll bring her up. Bring her up, baby. My truck is heavy because I got that Tesla is heavy. Those batteries, whoo, those babies are heavy. I had another video I did earlier, but I think I'm gonna drop this one first because I'm doing a lot of Spanish ones. I'm gonna try to do this one first. Because people want the English one, you know what I mean? What I gotta do here? Still gonna do one. Got these two. Here we go. Boom. We'll do one chain out. Boom, boom, boom. I got the light. Alright. It's a process, baby. They put up the light. The light. Yo, these people, they messed up, man. But she's going with me. She is going with me. Put this one on first, and then we'll go for the other one. Said it's towable, but she's not towable in reality. But it is what it is. It is what it is, baby. She's going with me. Let me see. Gotta keep her on. Put her on. She's gonna stay on, baby. Window open. And it is what it is. Tie the other side. Let's put the chain on. Put that chain on, baby. It's gonna be shortcuts. I'm gonna bring her close. You know what I mean? Let's see. It's dragging a little bit. She's gonna be. Put her on the rubber thing I told you guys about. And now we go tie this one up. Yes, sir. Gotta keep her on. Gotta keep this bad boy on. If you know, you know why she's on. But I'm like 8 minutes away. Plus I'm going local. You're going local, Papa. Yes, sir. Let's see. Let's see. Should be good. She got the thing on. We good. We guilty. Anyways, hate those damn Teslas. It's so hard to tow. No matter how you try to do it, if they never turn on. They never turn on. I think I picked up maybe 2 out of a gazillion that I've picked up. Freaking crazy. Anyways, guys, I'll let you go. Peace. We're in the hood. Let's see. Show roll. He's rolling. He's rolling. Anyways, peace.